Alright. So what seems to be the problem here?
Well, Mr. Mouse, my TV's broken.
I'm not sure if we'll be able to fix that up.
Damn it!
Alright, this is the second one.
Mouse, what the hell are you doing?
Alright, this is the second puppet show. Get my stuff.
Again.
Alright, we'll be...
Guys, we just have a short delay, so we'll be back. Okay, bye.
Shut up. Sorry.
Shut up.
Sorry, TV needs to go off.
I'm not watching TV ever again. Hello? Hello? Anyone? Hello?
Alright, guys.
You did like this one.
Alright, guys, that's the key to that. No, that wasn't one. Alright, so
Okay.
this is cool. Alright, so you, Gene, you're the dad. I'll tell you when to go. That's just I'll tell you what's coming. Alright, come in. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna make a video, Dad. I hope you're not mad.
What are you doing? What?
I'm making a YouTube video with my friend.
You didn't have a YouTube license. I'm taking you out.
So I'm sorry about that, guys. Alright, I'm just gonna turn this around so you can see what everything.
What do I do with the kid?
Alright, this is actually right. Let's get to business in Act 2.
I just put him with the others.
Alright, let's get to Act 2. Ow!
Ow!
Alright, so this is a real one. I come in and I want to tell you, or not, and you're like, you're supposed to be doing homework. Alright, no, I'm watching TV, and you're like, you're supposed to be doing homework. Yeah. I'll tell you when to come in.
Such a damn long day. Telling people they can't buy pizzas off the police. Guys, you didn't see this again. Okay, guys.
Alright.
This is only our first video, so we're failing so hard right now.
Alright, I'm watching TV.
What are you doing?
Stop trying to slap me! I'm watching TV!
Come on.
I'm sorry, guys! I'm so sorry!
Luigi!
That's what, guys, I'm giving away wrappers. You want any wrappers?
Luigi, you're such a big nose.
Alright, this is for real, guys. We're gonna do this for real. Alright, I'll take
Oh wait, remember the fan has to be off and the controls
Yep. Alright,
Okay
guys.
guys, this is my special equipment, Bang Bang. It stops fans. Also guys, I'm giving this away $10 million and contact
No, what's that kind of money?
contact agent @gmail.com.
Alright, guys, we're getting to the real funny stuff. We're getting to the real funny stuff, guys.
Jesus.
Like cops falling off the fan. No, just... Okay, stop. I'm gonna get
He
angry.
wanted you to turn on the light.
Alright, get out of there. I'll keep the door closed.
Hey guys, by the way, there's a scene.
Should I do the Brandon thing? Like, I know you had a loud bang, but there's nothing going on here. I'm just doing my homework.
Finally. Okay, guys, it begins now.
I'll do it.
Okay, kids,
Wait.
wait.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Okay, so kids, what the hell are you doing? What? Stop watching TV. Where did you come from?
I came from the sky.
What do you want? Are you trying to arrest me?
Alright, this one's gonna be for real, guys. Let's get to the thing, alright? This is just random. We'll be right back.
Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it.
Ah!
Hey, you should hey. If you want, I can make a video where I take this guy's shirt off. We just did that. It was really fun.
Alright, this time we're going to do the real puppet thing. Let's do this.
Okay. Let's do this, guys. I'm sorry for making you laugh.
Go ahead.
Alright, you ready?
What should I do? I need my homework.
When did you get home?
I got home like 5 minutes ago, Dad.
Alright. I was watching you from the door. Show me your butt. Show me your butt. Show me your butt. Show it. Lie down on the desk. Alright, lift yourself up so the viewers can see this. Don't lie to me! You only 5 seconds ago! Don't lie to me!
Jesus! Alright,
I
guys.
can't believe that you lied to me.
Number
Yoshi,
3.
what the heck? Yoshi!
Alright, number 3 act.
Hello? Is anyone watching this?
Guitar.
If you are, I'd like to get rid of any haters. So guys, I'm about to make you laugh like crazy. Get that Yoshi off my shoulder. You may now laugh. You may now laugh.
Aspen, you gotta wiggle. Alright, guys, goodbye.
Alright guys, haters can't hate anymore.